Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina here. I just can't wait until I can have an appointment at a hair salon once everything is open up so I can take care of this really dried out hair and get this all fixed up. So anyways, let's carry on. I ran out of deodorant, so I ordered my deodorant from Sephora, and it's the Donna Karan one. It's Cashmere Mist is the scent, and I really love it, and I wanted to share that with you. And when I placed my order, I got a sample of Christophe Robin. It's a hair mask, hydrating melting mask with aloe vera. I don't know how good it is, but I can't wait to give this a try and see what it's like. And if I do like it, I will put it on my wish list for a favorite list on my Sephora, and make sure I order this when I'm ready to stock up on some more hair mask. So those are my purchases from Sephora, but there's a local independent store in the city that I live in, and I bought a couple of things that I wanted to share with you really quickly, and this is it. So I got some cotton pads, and they're 100% cotton. They're thick and soft, and a cotton square mask, and it's from Japan, and it has an expiry date, would you believe, from July 2019 to June 2022. So that's really interesting that they have expiry date. I don't know why, but it's probably a good thing, and I'm not going to complain. So I decided to get a mask, just maybe on a very hot day I could place it on and that sort of thing. It's called the Jelly Lifting Mask, and I've never tried this before, and it promises to firm, so I'm not too sure if it has vitamin A or any retinol in it. And you're supposed to leave it up from up to 20 minutes long, and yeah, why not? I'm not familiar with this brand. It's clean sets, anti-wrinkle and whitening. I don't know. And then at the bottom it states that it's firming also. Promises a lot. So hopefully I will give this a try and let you know probably what's in my trash. And my phone is ringing, so I better check out who that is. And don't forget, I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers as soon as possible, so I could send a special gift to all the people that subscribed, and whoever make the most comment, I was going to send a gift. So take care. Bye.